Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a pair of headphones from EarFun. This is the EarFun Air Pro 4i. ANC wireless earbuds, fast pair for Google, high-res audio and LDAC. And they've also received a reward, Gold Award winner 2025 Summer VGP. It's using Bluetooth 6.0 and these are all the option: adaptive, hybrid, active noise cancellation, immersive sound with 11mm titanium composite dynamic drivers, 6 microphones, game mode with low latency, Bluetooth 6, IP55 water and dust proof, which is really good, high-res certified LDAC, theater mode as well, immersive 3D surround experience, multi-point connection for to connect two devices, 40-hour playtime, 9.5 hours plus 30.5 hours with the charging case, wireless charging compatible, which is really good. So what we have here, the user manual. As you can see, it also has a tap. Some more information about the app. And there we have them. So there it is. That's the case. USB-C for charging, wireless charging, a light indicator. And yeah, a bit different now. When you open it, left, right indicators. And what else we have? USB-C for charging, USB. So USB-A to C for charging, and the ear tips. And that's what we get. These are made of rubber. As soon as I peel off the little sticker, they started appearing on my phone, asking to connect. So there you have them. Now I'm gonna quickly show you around the ear tip. But before that, let's just try a bit of a shakeage. Yeah, no. They stay in place. Very good. So this is how it looks like. This glossy finish. These are the microphones. And touch buttons. And that's how it looks like without. As you can see now, they went for oval rather than round. And I'm gonna show you also the ear tip. It's like this. So it has the oval shape. So guys, as you can see with the I've connected them to the app, and with the case, with the earbuds in the case and the case open, it shows you obviously the battery levels. And at the moment I have it in LDAC, so I'm gonna just put them in my ears. So as you can see, it straight away moved to noise cancelling, and I have to say the noise cancelling, it's really good. It actually works. Believe me when I say this. I had just something with the voice. I was watching a video on the TV and I can barely hear the voice, which is good. As soon as you turn on the music, you won't hear anything. Because you have 6 microphones, when you change to ambient sound, you can hear your voice, and there's 2 modes, natural and default. To be honest, I kind of prefer natural, because it just makes the voice a bit better, more natural. And then you have the normal mode, when you can just hear your voice just fine, obviously with a little bit of you can feel the plugs, the earpads in your ears. You can change the name of the earpads, and for the noise cancelling, you can have balanced noise cancelling and wind noise cancelling, so that should help you during wind situations. At the moment I have LDAC on, and when LDAC is on, the sound changes a bit, and it's
is quite nice and pleasant to hear. There's good highs, mids, and bass, and the volume goes up to quite high. So you actually, there's a mode in here, I'll show you, where you can turn it down a bit so you don't damage your ears. As you can see, even the equalizer, it gets disabled, and the theater mode when in LDAC is on. You can disable all the touch controls, but otherwise the touch controls are like this, and they work really well. You can disable the left ear button. So there's touch, not buttons. I couldn't feel a button, so it's just a touch, as you can see, top. For the right side, these are the options as well. And then you have to turn off dual device connection when you're using LDAP as well. Bluetooth audio quality, as you can see, that's LDAP. On my Android phone, in order to enable LDAP, I had to do it from the app and then also going to the Bluetooth settings where the headphones are connected, and then enable LDAP from there. And yours, as you can see, appears at the top in there. Voice prompts, you can turn them off. If you don't like, you can lower the volume, and you have these options. Automatic shutdown, you can have no automatic shutdown or just set your default settings. Fine headphones is not recommended to play the sound when the headphones are in your ears, so I'll do a little demonstration at the end. And then you just have also tutorials on how to use the product, which is online, but I turned off the Wi-Fi at the moment so I won't get any interruptions. And then obviously FAQs, factory reset, and delete the device. So all I'll do now, I'll just pause the video a bit to turn off the LDAC. So just one thing to know is that when you turn off the LDAC, that the headphones will restart. So once they are back on, you can see it's on stable connection first, and then let's go back, and now you have all the options, like the game mode, and that will reduce audio latency. I have to say I played the video without the game mode on, and I can't really see any delays. In here you have like the presets, and there's loads to choose from. So you have natural, Latin hits, soul, blues, metal, hip-hop, dance, electronic, jazz, classic, R&B, country, pop, rock, crazy loads to choose from. Default, and vocal enhancements, vocal attenuation, bass, different types of bass modes and different types of treble modes, bass reducer, treble reducer. And you can also have a custom one, so you can play around with the bands in here. You have, I think it's a 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yeah, 10 bands, plenty to customize. And there's also this, where you can test your ears to create a personalized style. Theater mode, when you enable it, you can hear the sound being more wide and open, like a sound stage, and yeah, it sounds really nice. Let's turn it off a bit. As you can see, it's probably disabling the equalizer as well.
They sit in my ears. I'll say pretty good. Okay guys, so let's say you've misplaced them and you want to play a sound, so you can select which one you want to sound. So the sound goes louder and louder. And you can select which one. So yeah, there you have it. You found it, you stop it, and that's it. Okay guys, so wireless charging, case charging, so that's brilliant. And as you can see, it still works. If I take one off and place it in the case, and I can still use it without any issues. And what I like is as soon as you take it out and you put it back in your ear, it's automatically, it connects immediately, instantly. So there's no delay. So yeah, I really like them. There's plenty of options for the sound. I think it's brilliant. It's a brilliant pair of earphones. I almost said earphones. But yeah, so yeah, a big thumbs up for the EarFun for making these brilliant earphones. Thanks for watching.